We got some onions here that's already growing. So we're gonna go put that in the ground in our compost area and see, let it grow. I'm gonna be showing you guys a partial spring update. I'm gonna say partial because not everything's growing yet or sprouting, but this is our privet that I got from work. Look, see all those new leaves coming out. Yep, it's alive. So that's pretty good. This is the cottonwood. Look, pretty big now. So I took a few cuttings right there in the bottom. So we're gonna propagate some more and spread it throughout the land. The Austrian elm is growing. Well, when I'm saying growing, it's budding out. Look, that's cool. Put some more Australian elm cuttings there. We'll see if it's gonna grow. Yeah, look at all these mulch that I can use. So I've been using it on this. Oh my gosh, what's the name of this? Mesquite tree. It's the first one that I bought, but the rest I've been doing some cuttings and also from seeds. So can't wait for it to get big. Do you know that the tap roots can go down up to 200 feet down the ground? That's amazing, isn't it? Our Fuji apple is not awake yet, but it will be soon. Look at that. You get some new growth right there. You can have new pads. And this is, oh my gosh, I forgot the name of this. It's a pluot. A mix between a plum and apricot. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, put a lot of mulch around it. And this was exciting, guys. We got the asparagus right there. That's growing. So let me show you the other ones as well. Here's the other apricot. Asparagus, look. Look at that. Sprouts. Those asparagus growing. I'm not gonna harvest it yet. Too soon. Probably next year we'll be able to harvest already. But for now, we're just gonna let it grow and leave it alone. Here's the mesquite tree cuttings that I got. The one that I showed you. Yeah, I got it from there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I need to separate and put it on a separate container. This is a, oh my goodness, what is that? Pear from seeds. Let's go. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got 6 in here. So I need to separate that and put it in a gallon container. Our Peruvian apple cactus is doing well. Look at that, guys. Yeah, can't wait for this to get big. Put a lot of mulch as well down there, so I don't have to water it often. Yeah, can't wait for it to bear fruit and taste it. Do you see what I see, guys? Do you see what I see? Look at that. I thought they were dead. Dogs be messing with it. Rodents. Look. Yeah, I put some asparagus roots in here, so it grew back. Look at that. Yeah, I might have to put a wire fence around it, protect it from dogs, wild dogs. Oh, look, another one's growing here. I didn't even notice that. Look at that. See it? That's cool. And you got right there. Some more right there. That's cute. Supposed to be more. But yeah. Look. That's awesome. I think these fruits are ready to harvest. You see that? we'll see. We'll see if I'm gonna harvest it or not. Maybe do a taste tester. What do you think? Yeah, it's just not a half of the updates, but more like a quarter. I got a lot more, but yeah, spring just started, so we'll do an updates on it. This is our willow. I went ahead and that's from cutting. I went ahead and put it on the ground. We're just gonna leave it alone, water a little bit. I know they need a lot of water, but don't have that. But what I'm gonna do on this area right here, I'm gonna put a lot of mulch, branches, leaves. I'm gonna do some cuts from the creosote bushes. Yep, Siberian elm, doing well. You got more right here. The willow. Yeah, we're gonna put a lot here. We're gonna dump a lot of branches and twigs and everything and mulch it. We'll see. This was an oak. More of the, I just said it earlier. Anyway, you know what it is. Not growing yet, not sprouting yet, but we're gonna put a lot here. We're gonna put a lot of twigs and all that. We're gonna do some cleaning up there. Freaking wind. Yeah, this is the Siberian elm. We're gonna let it grow. So it'll provide shade and privacy as well. Nice. Love this one. Not sprouting yet. Yeah, look. Nice, nice. That's from seed, Palo Verde, and another Palo Verde from seeds. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Just a short video update, spring update, per your request. But we'll do more, maybe in a month or so. Keep you guys up to date and see what's going on here in our high desert off-grid living. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you from Romy from Solid Gold Shows.